हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल Manya Kids TV and subscribe us for more videos. Today we will learn about different kinds of birds. Do you know which bird is this? This is pigeon. Pigeon means kabutar. Do you know which beautiful bird is this? This is sparrow. Sparrow means chidiya. And which bird is this? This is parrot. Parrot means tota. Which bird is this? This is owl. Owl means ullu. Do you know which beautiful bird is this? This is peacock. Peacock means more. Which bird is this? This is hen. Hen means murgi. Do you know which bird is this? This is eagle. Eagle means gid. Do you know which beautiful bird is this? This is woodpecker. Woodpecker means kach fodwa. Do you know which birds are these? These are penguins. Penguins mean penguin. Do you know which largest bird is this? This is ostrich. Ostrich means shuturmurg. And which beautiful bird is this? This is nightingale. Nightingale means bulbul. And which bird is this? This is crow. Crow means kawa. Which bird is this? This is kite. Kite means chil. Which beautiful bird is this? This is duck. Duck means buttock. Which beautiful bird is this? This is cuckoo. Cuckoo means koyal.